In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add canvas and apply it to all clips at once in CapCut PC. First, open the CapCut desktop app on your computer. Once it loads, you can either create a new project if you're starting fresh, or open an existing project if you already have one ready to edit. Either option works, as long as you can access your timeline and the clips you want to adjust. Next, add multiple video clips to the timeline. This is important because the goal here is to apply the same canvas setting across all of them at once. After your clips are in place, click on any one of the video clips in the timeline to select it. You only need to choose one clip to get started. Now move over to the right side panel and open the Video tab. This is where CapCut gives you access to various visual settings for the selected clip. In that panel, locate the Canvas section. Depending on your layout, you may need to scroll a little to find it. Once you're there, apply your preferred canvas setting. For example, this could include changing the background style, adjusting the frame presentation, or using the canvas option that best fits your project. Take a moment to look at the preview window so you can clearly see how the selected clip looks with that setting applied. This helps you make sure the result is exactly what you want before copying it to everything else. After you're happy with the canvas setting, look beside the Canvas section for the Apply to All button. Click it once, and CapCut will begin processing the change across the rest of the clips in your timeline. Depending on how many clips you have and how powerful your computer is, this may take a moment, so give it a few seconds to finish. When the process is complete, review the clips in the timeline. Click through different clips one by one to verify that the same canvas setting has been applied consistently. This is a good habit because it lets you catch anything unusual right away. Finally, preview the full project and watch through it carefully. Confirm that the canvas settings remain consistent throughout the video from one clip to the next. If everything looks uniform, then you've successfully added a canvas setting and applied it to all clips at once in CapCut PC.